Look, they all talking when I'm walking by, cause they know I'm so fly. Look at me, look at the smile from me. Eye to eye, from ear to ear, it's so clear. I got the best, and you know I never rest. With my heart on my chest, yeah, you know I'm blessed with the golden aura. I'ma do the one thing no one can do. That's climb to the top without stopping, dropping all these beats and all these rhymes out right on time. Yeah, I'm like Blockbuster, better get your return, cause I got some concern, but I'm learning from my mistakes. And like an earthquake, I'ma make her knees shake. But I never take aim, I'll always take the blame. And in the game I always say the same, and I always win. Yeah, I podium first, even though I burst open with a spoken type of way to flow. But you know, I just need some money in my bank account. See, I need an amount that's better than what I got at Tazzy. So here's my cash app, money sign NFT GRI, double F and double E. Yeah, that's NFT GRI FFE. So please send me money real quickly so I can get my life back on track. So here we go, let's listen to another diss rap or freestyle that just slaps on the radio. Yeah, you already know, you're probably mistaken for someone who's gonna be taking over. Yeah, you know I'm gonna do it. No sleepovers, no slumber parties, but you know I'll sip on some bug party, ride a Harley, do some gnarly, and you know I'm like the way I'm stunting over all these obstacles. And you know I'm just feeling full, and my vision's 2020, let me hit the obstacle sword. Oh wait, that's optical vision, and I ain't gonna go missing. So listen to the rhymes and the way I put these lyrical miracles out there in these rhymes.